Here's another really easy beginner pattern that just uses knit and purl stitches. And it's got a really wonderful diagonal design here that goes to the right. So it's going to the right this way. And it's done over a multiple of 6 stitches. And in my case, in this example, I've casted on 26 stitches because I've got my 24 that are pattern stitches and then 1 stitch at each edge just to give me a nice consistent edge. Row 1. We're going to knit the first and last stitch of every row, and that's just our edge stitch. So row 1, we'll knit 5, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1, knit 5, purl 1, and then we will knit that last stitch. Row 2, we'll knit the edge stitch, purl 1, knit 1, purl 4. And then we'll just repeat that. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 4. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 4. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 4. And again, the last stitch, we will just knit that edge stitch. Row 3, knit the edge stitch, knit 3, purl 1, knit 2, and we'll repeat that. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 2, knit 3, purl 1, knit 2. Last time, knit 3, purl 1, knit 2, and we'll knit that last stitch. Row 4, knit the edge stitch, purl 3, knit 1, purl 2. We'll do that again. Purl 3, knit 1, purl 2, purl 3, knit 1, purl 2. And last time, purl 3, knit 1, purl 2, and we'll knit the last stitch. Row 5, knit the edge stitch, knit 1, purl 1, knit 4. And do that again. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 4. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 4. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 4, and we'll knit the last stitch. Row 6, we're going to knit that edge stitch, purl 5, knit 1, purl 5, knit 1, purl 5, knit 1, and one last time, purl 5, knit 1, and we'll knit that last stitch.